Alright guys, we are at the All-1 RV show. This bad boy, 50 gear, right? So take a look. So, you're on the Action 4. What do you think, huh? Good. We got a big fire in here, 1 yards. You can go out here on the deck. Got the bed in the back there. It's okay. So you got the it's not too bad. That's your workbench. Get the head in here. Oh yeah, that's not bad. For 50 grand, I guess, right? All right. The next one. The Ultimate RV Show. It's free to get in here too as well.
It's three burners, gas.
Nice big bed in this one.
Yeah.
That's my boy too.
Yeah,
That's a nice big suite.
Can I go over here?
Does it come with TV?
This one doesn't. No, this one doesn't. But it has work.
Does this come with a
It has.
fireplace?
You got
This one does not have a fireplace. Nope.
got the head right here.
Because it already has a heat built in.
And a double bed.
Wow, read your comment.
This is the
Refrigerator.
because the first one I like.
That's not bad.
So I'm gonna show you that big one.
So
That's
there's all kinds of ones you're gonna see here throughout the videos.
maybe the
So
next upgrade that we would get.
4th day of February 2024. Let's see how much.
But not right now.
It's a little over 38 grand. So
But when I do.
over here, this one is I got office. It's 34 grand. See right there. What do you think?
It's okay.
For 38 grand.
Very small.
Yeah, I know. They're pretty small.
Yeah.
All right, what's going on here? There's a little desk here. Look at that, huh? The microwave over here. Yeah, they are pretty small. Your head right here. It's like a single one right here. If you're gonna be running around, I think. Over here, you got a desk over here. You can do your. You want to do your editing right here. So this is a one-shotter.
This is like $2,000 more than that one has a push-up, so it's worth it.
This one is 33 grand. What do you guys think? Was it pretty good?
This one I think is one of the best ones yet.
Oh yeah?
For just a small size.
Looks like the family likes this one. Is it? You like it? All right, kid likes it. It matters. Go bed. There it is. 38 grand. You can cruise on in here. So, not bad. If the kids like it, that's half the battle, right? Sale price 23 grand. You can tell. Now there's a little grill right there.
But I guess it's
Salem one right here.
or somewhere in the water.
22 grams, a smaller one. The grill right here. What do you guys think, huh?
I think the Wild's going to win the Stanley Cup.
Oh,
over the
Jesus.
Blackhawks. That's why I think.
Oh, I don't think so, man. We're going to go see him. Me and my wife, we're going to go see him in Vegas and Arizona next week.
Nice.
I don't think so. I don't think so. You will see Wild aren't going to win straight out. Sorry. Well, you know, it's just another small one here. I don't know. Nothing special. Do it over here. $24. This one's kind of small, but not bad. Your workbench. Not bad. Small head. One of the hang out right here. microwave. But it's a. I don't know. It all depends what you want. These are all Salem's. That unit was on sale for $24. This small one right here, $17,000. This is a one hitter right here. I don't think I'd want this for, I think, for more of a family. This should be. So this is, I don't know. I don't know. The shower, the header, easy to pull. You saw the boat show, what that was cost, you know. So, well, anyway, so let's go over here. Going this one over here. Untangled the cord here, sorry about that. There we go. Alright. This one's 24 on sale. Discount. Kind of same kind of thing, nothing special. They have different, depends what you want. So these are kind of the same kind of. Here. This one's 24 grand. Another one. Got the shower and the head right here. The workbench when you're screwing around while you're camping. Nothing special.
Corey.
Another grill right here.
Kids won't like this.
Over here. This one is $26,000. For some reason, people love this big one right here. This big ass one right here. Don't ask me why, but look how big that stuff is. It's just huge. We're kind of working our way east to west here. So it must be these are the big dogs right over here. Down up here, over here. You know, kind of work a. There's all different kinds of ones where you can get. There's this big ass holy moly salesman, right? This one's huge. Camping World's the one that's putting this thing on, so they're pretty big. They're known to be not the best in the world either. This big dog. On sale for 40 grand, give or take. Looks like a living room right here, this one. Here's your head, your shower. Kind of a basic bed.
Oh my goodness.
The old-fashioned fifth wheel, huh? What do you think, huh?
Nice.
Yeah. Bigger
You
one.
like the island here? It takes the place of your table.
No problem, thanks. Alright. Over here. Check these ones down over here.
I like that one that has the.
Here's another one here. This one is 30 grand, give or take, on sale. Not bad. A little more room in this one. That's bigger for the kids if you want. That's much bigger. Sleep up on that. Back door. Nice grill. Big fireplace. Nice. So it all depends what you want. You know, it all depends. 37 grand. This one is. Some of these are just, I mean, there's not much in the layout. It's kind of nice. And you get, that's a, what the hell that is? Office, I think. These are kind of cheap. Bigger these ones get, the more they fall apart on you. The more they leak as well. Believe it or not, it's a fact. So. Another cruise light, 30 grand. 35 for this one. Better have a big truck to carry these things around with.
Well, that's.
So, over here, this one over here. The bigger one right over here. Big boat. It was like 50 grand. Look at that big boy. That's. You get bigger and bigger. The fifth wheels. Over here, this one's a hideout. This one's more of a smaller one. But it depends how much you want. It's okay. It's not too bad. Nice bed. An easy one to pull. This is for like if you're single, maybe just you and the wife. Put the head in there in the shower. Not bad. So these are the hideaway ones.
At least you have a place.
Let's go check out this one right here. So these are smaller ones. These are like 15 grand. $76 a month. Oh wow. Comes out, huh?
Power awning.
Oh, power, that's nice. See, so if a little power on it, you can come out. So that's what it does. So here's, that's too much. You don't need all that. This is all you need if you're single. That could be something else, like storage, I guess. So, well, that's round one for you guys here at the Ultimate